Hey everyone, Cheryl here. Welcome to the Brunch Master. Today let's learn how to make Chettinad Egg Masala, a flavorful and spicy recipe from Chettinad region of Tamil Nadu, which is well known for its bold and exotic flavors. Ingredients needed to make this wonderful dish are boiled eggs 8, sunflower oil 3 tablespoons, handful of curry leaves cut into small pieces, 1 big onion chopped into small pieces, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1.5 teaspoon, 3 big Desi tomatoes cut into small pieces, green chillies 4, ginger 1 tablespoon cut into small pieces, 8 to 10 pods of garlic, grated fresh coconut 1/4 cup, chopped coriander leaves 1 tablespoon, Garma Masala 1 teaspoon. Let's begin now. Take a blender jar and add green chillies. If you are preparing it for kids, then reduce the number of chillies. Ginger, garlic, grated coconut. Add a little water and grind it into a smooth paste. Once the masala is ready, take a cooking pan and pour the oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add chopped onion, saute the onion till translucent. I am going to add turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and black pepper powder. Let's roast these spices on low heat for a few seconds. I'm going to add tomatoes, and a little salt. Let's cook this on low heat until the tomatoes get mushy. Pour the ground masala paste. I'm also going to add curry leaves and mix everything well. Let's saute the masala for 2 to 3 minutes as we have added raw ingredients to it. Add half a cup of water. I'm going to add garam masala to it. Check the salt at this level. You need to balance the taste before adding in eggs, as we are going to cut them into small pieces. And finally, let's cut the eggs into 4 pieces and add them in the gravy. Be careful with the knife. You can also use cutting board. Carefully mix everything well and simmer it for 2 more minutes. And let's garnish it with some coriander leaves. Delicious and flavorful Chettinad Egg Masala is ready to serve. Chettinad Egg Masala pairs beautifully with chapati, rice, roti, dosa or any similar type of items. Try this recipe at home and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Let's meet once again with another interesting recipe. Until then, eat healthy, take care. Thank you for watching the video.